You could be divorced for 20 years, win the lottery, and your ex-spouse could legally take half of it. Here's why a DIY divorce is often a ticking time bomb. In this video, I'm going to explain why you don't always need a lawyer to get a divorce, but why you almost always need legal advice to stay protected. If you miss one specific step, your ex could come back for your money 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. In the UK, the divorce process has become significantly simpler with the introduction of the no-fault system. You can fill out the forms online, pay the fee, and get the paperwork done yourself. But here is the gotcha: a divorce ends the marriage, but it does not end the financial relationship. The three biggest risks of doing it entirely alone are future financial claims. Without a clean break order, your ex can claim against your future inheritance, a business you haven't even started yet, or a lottery win. Pension gold mines. Pensions are often the second biggest asset after the family home. If you don't have a lawyer look at the pension sharing aspect, you could be losing out on tens of thousands of pounds, if not more, in retirement. Unenforceable promises. That gentleman's agreement you made over coffee? It isn't worth the paper it's written on if one of you changes your mind later. Be warned that the court will assess assets based on their value at the time the matter comes before it, not at the date of separation or divorce. So, do you really need a lawyer? Here is the balanced answer: you might not need a lawyer for the admin. If you and your spouse are on good terms and the paperwork is simple, doing the forms yourself can save money. The more prepared you are, the less time and cost your lawyer spends. But you almost always need a lawyer to draft your financial consent order. If it is straightforward, you may need one to review it. Think of a lawyer as a legal architect. You can lay the bricks yourself, but you need the architect to make sure the house doesn't fall in a storm. A short consultation can give you clarity on what you're actually entitled to, provide confidence that your assets are ring-fenced, save you years of stress and thousands in legal fees trying to fix a mistake later. The bottom line? Don't guess with your future. If you're unsure whether to separate or how, hiring a lawyer doesn't mean losing control of costs. You can reduce fees by agreeing on what work you will do yourself, communicating clearly and strategically, emails instead of constant calls. Try to include everything you want to say in a single email rather than sending multiple text messages, as you may be charged per email or per item of correspondence. Providing documents in an organized way, asking for fixed fees where possible. Some people even use a solicitor only to review a settlement, rather than handle the whole case. That can be a smart middle ground. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It helps this video reach other people who might be struggling with this decision right now. And subscribe for more honest, straightforward advice on navigating your path forward. Your future self will thank you for being prepared today.